Today we're going to be making lava lamps. So what you will need for this is a glass, some baking soda or powder, vinegar, oil of your choice, glitter which is optional, and paint which is also optional. Lava lamps can be made in many different ways, but this is my way. So first I want you to put 3 heaps of baking soda into your glass or your plastic bottle. Now I like a little sparkle, so I'm going to throw some glitter into my baking powder and then I'm going to stir it together because I don't want the glitter just to sit on the surface of the baking powder. If you don't have any baking powder, don't worry, you're still going to have the same amazing reaction afterwards. Now it's time to add our oil, and I'm using a very clear sunflower oil, but if you don't have a very clear sunflower oil, any oil that you have will work perfectly well. You just need oil. Let it rest for a little bit. And now for the last step, I'm going to now put my vinegar into the glass, and I've colored my vinegar with some red face paints because that's what I had available. But if you don't have any face paints or food coloring, don't worry, the vinegar is going to do the job. Baking soda and vinegar react chemically because one is a base and the other is an acid. Baking soda is a basic compound called sodium bicarbonate. Vinegar is a diluted solution that contains acetic acid. The baking soda and vinegar reaction is actually 2 separate reactions that is happening very quickly. So the result of the first reaction is 2 new chemicals. Those chemicals are carbonic acid and sodium acetate. The second reaction is a decomposition reaction. The carbonic acid that was first formed immediately begins to decompose into water and carbon dioxide gas. Just like bubbles in a fizzy drink, the carbon dioxide rises to the top of the mixture. This creates the bubbles and foam that you see when you mix baking soda and vinegar. So that's the science. Hope you enjoyed, and I'd love to see some of your pictures. Send them in by email.